Okay. Here we go. And so we will get plenty of practice with these word problems, okay, because they can be tricky, all right? We won't be spending, we'll work on them today, but we'll see them show up again and again as we go in class here too. All right, so number one, Anthony's Pizza sells pizzas for $10 plus $1.50 per topping. Write an expression for the cost of T toppings. All right, so BK, you said you think you got an answer already?
I think so.
Okay, what do you think?
I wrote y equals 10 plus 1.50t.
Okay, yeah. 10 plus 1.50t. Okay, you could put the y equals in there, and that is something that we'll do from time to time. But I do want to just highlight something here. Okay, the directions say write an expression. Okay, so the expressions expressions don't have an equal sign in them. Okay, expressions are just like, it's a thing, right? It's like kind of like what you did like way back in elementary school. So an expression, was like when your teacher showed you something like 3 plus 5. That's an expression. Oops. That's an expression. You might have then written an equal sign after it and said, oh, that's equal to 8. And that's true, right? But this is an expression, okay? It's just kind of like a mathematical statement, okay? When you bring in that equal sign, now you're making a relationship between two statements, right? So in our word problems here, we had this expression, 2x plus 2y, was set equal to this expression, p, okay? So you can take them apart and say that's an expression, that's an expression, and then when we say they're equal, then that means it's an equation, right? This expression equals this expression, okay? So right now, you could you put the y in there? Is that wrong? It's not wrong, but what is y? We don't have any definition for y right now. You might say, but what could we define y to be? So if we wrote y equals 10 plus 1.50t like that, what would y represent? In that? What's that? The price, the total cost. Yeah, exactly right. Okay. But in this case, it just said write an expression for the cost of T toppings. So that's fine, but I can see why you might want to write that too. And I think that would be okay. As long as you can tell the subtle difference there, that's fine. Okay. So I think, yeah, this is the one we're really aiming for there. All right. So if Sally purchased a pizza for $17.50, how many toppings were on Sally's pizza? So what could we do here to figure this out? So BK, yeah?
10 plus 1.50t equals 7.50.
Yeah, 17.50, exactly right. So we'll say the expression for the cost of a pizza, we'll set that equal to the price that Sally paid. That's before tax, I'm guessing. Okay. And so if we want to figure out the number of toppings, we've set it up, but what do we still need to do? Solve. You got it exactly right. Okay. Exactly right. So let's see here. Let's go to Colin again. What do you say, Colin? How do we solve this equation?
Okay. You're looking for the t, so we're going to go subtract 10.
Subtract 10 on both sides. You got it. Okay, that's gone. We're left with 1.50t there equals, what is 1750? Take away 10.
1750 take away 10. You get 750.
750. That's right. Okay. Okay. Final step there, Colin. Go ahead.
Okay. Last, you're going to divide 150.
On both sides, right?
Yep.
Good job, sir. T equals 5. Okay? And because this is a word problem, we want to understand t equals 5 has more meaning than just t equals 5. T stands for a number of toppings. So when you say that t is 5, that means 5 toppings. 5 what? 5 toppings. Okay? So it's important that you recognize that. Now, did we need to use an equation to figure out this problem? Could we have used a different strategy here to solve this? I mean, yeah, I know the directions asked us to write equations here. But do we need to use an equation to solve this problem? Did anyone have a different method we could have used here to solve this problem? To figure out how many toppings Sally had on her pizza if she paid $17.50? Anyone figure out a different way? Anyone think of a different way to do it? It's okay if not, but I just figured if there's anyone else here. Well, we know the pizza starts with a base price of $10, and you just add $1.50 per topping. So if we start with $10, right? And if I add $1.50, is one topping enough to get what Sally paid there? No, but I'll add another $1.50. Still not there. That's 2 toppings, right? Add another $1.50. 3 toppings, add another $1.50. 4 toppings, add another $1.50. There it is. Okay, so 5 toppings, right? You could have just added a bunch of $1.50s there to solve it too, right? But maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you don't like guessing and checking, right? You want to just solve it, and that's fine. Okay. Alrighty, let's go to someone new here. How about Jiraiya? Jiraiya number 2 here. You got a 4-foot beanstalk is planted and it grows 3 feet per month. What would an expression be for the height of the beanstalk in months after planting?
4 plus 3m.
You got it. 4 plus 3m. Very good, sir. Okay. And I like that you didn't make an equation. 4 plus 3m. It's an expression. So okay. Okay. And again, m is our variable there, so we're going to use m. No x's or y's. M. Okay. Okay. Letter B. What is the height of the beanstalk 15 months after it was planted? So, should I do this? Is that right? 15 equals 4 plus 3m to solve this?
Well,
Is that right?
what do you mean, is that right?
Yeah.
So the question's asking, what is the height of the beanstalk 15 months after it was planted? So I've got the expression here that Jiraiya gives, right? I got that 15.
Yeah, so.
Is that where the 15 should go?
No.
Should it be 15 equals 4 plus 3?
No.
No? Okay, so why not?
Because it's,
What should we do with the 15 if it doesn't go there?
Isn't it the same thing?
it's after. I mean, like.
15 months after it was planted, right? So this is like the height of the beanstalk, m months after planting, right? Is this how we should set this up? If we want to find the height of the beanstalk 15 months after it was planted, should we say 15 equals 4 plus 3m? Is that right? No, Corinne, that's right. It is not right. What should we do with the 15, Corinne? Yeah, so put it in for, not just after, in for the m, because it's a number of, what does m stand for? Number of months. And 15 is a number of months. Okay, so in this case, they switched the problem up on us, right? This is what we should do. Put the 15 in for the m. Okay, now, how am I supposed to know that, Mr. Whitmire, when you're not here to help me out? How am I supposed to know how to do that? Well, what does m present, right? Think about what your variable means here. Your variable is number of months. And if we have a number of months, then 15 needs to go in for that variable. Okay? 15 needs to go in for that variable. So we will do this here. 3 times 15. Oh, actually, yeah.
44.
Should I do 4 plus 3 and then multiply by 15? Or should I do 3 times the 15 and then add the 4 here?
Parentheses first.
Right. Why? How do I know that I'm supposed to do the 3 times the 15 first and then add the 4 here? Okay, next to parentheses, right? PEMDAS, yes, order of operations. If you guys are like ever on, Facebook or Twitter, sometimes these like math problems make circles, and they're like, some people think this problem, or 90% of people cannot solve this math problem correctly. Can you? And it's like something with, it's basic order of operations. That's all it is. If you guys know your order of operations, then you get the answer right. And everyone forgets the answer. They'll be like 4 plus 3 is 7 times 15, 105, right? No. 3 times 15 first, then add the 4, 49. Okay, 49. Ooh, what should my units be here? 49 what? It's supposed to be describing a height, so 49 inches? Feet? Why feet? Yeah, the units at the top there. Exactly right. 3 feet per month. Okay? So, yeah, 4 foot beanstalk, 3 feet per month. We're staying in feet. Sometimes we'll have to convert, but it's 49 feet here. Good job. Good eyes there. Yes, you want to look at all the information the problem gives you to help you out. All right, letter C. If Johnny finds a beanstalk that is 100 feet tall, how long ago was the beanstalk planted? Oh, okay, right. So this one we're just going to do 4 plus 3 times 100 then? Like that? No, why not? Oh my gosh, they switched up again on us. This is a height, not a number of months. So where should this 100 go? Yeah, 100 is equal to 4 plus 3m. How long ago means we are solving for a number of months, right? We're solving for m. Okay. And again, folks, I'm not trying to trick you, okay? But I'm going to put up wrong things sometimes because I see my students make those, guesses. And I want you guys to be on your toes, okay? But again, if you make a mistake, I'm not going to, hound you for it, all right? But I just want to show you common stuff because I can see students doing this kind of thing. I know they do that kind of stuff. And I want you guys to, wait a minute. Think about what you're doing and stuff. Because you can, figure it out. Okay? Oh, okay. Very good. So, Cameron, you saved us. So, we got to solve then, right? So, what should you do to both sides? Subtract 4. Okay, so 100 minus 4, 96, equals 3m. Last step. Divide both sides by 3. M equals 32. Very good. 32 what? Months. Very good. Again, let your variable guide you there. We have m equals. That's a number of months. Okay. Number of months. If we wanted to convert that to a number of years, what would we do? If we wanted to convert that to a number of years. Close. If 12 is involved. Yeah, Kemper? Divide by 12. Divide by 12. Yeah, you're on the right track, but it's actually divide by 12. That's hard to see. You guys might remember this from 1A. You did something called dimensional analysis. Okay, I can show you one way to think about it. If you have 32 months, okay, I'll just put it over 1. Okay, so Amber, you recognize there's 12 months in a year. You knew that, right? 12 months in a year. So the thing is, okay, I'm going to cancel out months. So I'll put the 12 months in the denominator here so that those months variables will cancel. And then I will put that as the same as 1 year. So what am I doing? I'm really multiplying this quantity by the number 1 because 1 year is the same as 12 months. So it's something divided by itself, right? I'm really multiplying by 1. So I'm not changing this quantity, but I'm going to change the units, right? The months cancel. And now when I do my work here, 32 times 1, 1 times 12. 32 divided by 12. There's what Kemper said. 32 divided by 12, that'll give you the number of years. So that's going to be 24. So 2 years and 8/12, which is the same thing as 2.75 years. 8/12 is 3. 2/3. So it's going to be 0.6666 years. That's neither here nor there. All right, so how about you guys try number 3A? You guys try number 3A. We have a hot air balloon, begins its descent. Descent means, can you do this one real quick and then go, yeah? Yeah. Okay. You, on your own, just real quick, just write it down. Once you get it done, then you can go, okay? Descent means what? What does it mean to descend? Go down. Exactly right. Go down. So we're descending here. So think about how you, be careful how you write this one, okay? How can you represent descending? Okay, so a hot air balloon begins its descent from a height of 576 feet. The balloon descends at 25 feet per minute. Okay, so think about how you can represent descending using math, okay? descending 25 feet per minute using that. So give that one a try. Letter A. If you're feeling good about letter A, you want to go on B. Go ahead and do that too. Okay, if you really feel confident. If you don't feel confident, you can wait. At least try A. Okay. So try letter A here. Colin, you want to try letter A for me? Okay, write an expression here for this situation. You have a balloon that starts at a height of 576 feet, and then it descends at a rate of 25 feet per minute. Okay, so write the expression. That's all you got to do. Okay. Thinking about it still? Are you a Barbie girl in the Barbie world? Do you know that song? By John Canfield, song from the 90s. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Don't judge me.
You want to go?
Alright,
I'm a
ready?
teacher. I'm supposed to help you. Okay.
Is it right?
Okay. So I like to do the minus 25 because that would indicate the descending part. But how many of those minus 25? It's minus 25 feet per minute. Do we know the number of minutes? So you put like a.
alright.
So yeah, the m next to there. Now be careful though. We're descending. So what should there be in front? And then we're descending from what? What are we taking that 25 from? So the 576 should be right there. You're subtracting away. Awesome. Good job, sir. Yes. Good job. Awesome. You can mouse go there, man. Oh, we're on number 3A.
I know. It's the 576. Should be on the same side as 25 m.
It's the starting height, and then you're descending from that. If that helps you. Okay, this is beautiful. We're taking that away from the 576 because you started at 576. Remember, no equation here; it's an expression. Just when 576 take away. So I mean, have the right idea. You are taking away 25, right? Because you're descending at that rate, right? But how many of those? So it's 25 feet per minute. We don't know how many minutes we're descending for, right? So that minus 25 is going to keep subtracting every minute. We do minus 25 for 1 minute, then another minus 25, and another minus 25. So you want to take that minus 25 and multiply it by m, number of minutes that you're descending. And then what are we taking that from? We're taking it from the 576. So it should be 576 minus 25. No equal sign. It's an expression, right? An expression. So no equal signs necessarily. But for letter B, then we'll set up an expression. Okay? Does that make some more sense there, Corinne? Okay. All right, Angel. Oh, you got it? Okay. Yes. M. Yes, because we don't know how many. Like that's per minute. So you want to times the number of minutes. That would be because it's an expression, no equation. So it's just a setup. That's it. Now for letter B, that's where you're gonna put that 100 somewhere. Well, so m is a number of what? M presents a number of per minute. So it's a number of minutes, right? So 100 though, is that a number of minutes? It's D. So it's going to be set at equal to 100 equals this minus 100. And then solve this. Mr. Seaver,
What's going on?
it's time for me to go.
It is time.
Oh my
It is that
gosh.
time.
Okay. Let me finish talking with these folks and then we'll go, okay? I guess Ben comes with me then too, right? Yeah. Okay. We have a meeting. Yeah, it's very exciting. The normal room? Yep. Okay. All right, so anyway, let's talk about this here real quick. Okay, 3A. A hot air balloon begins its descent from a height of 576 feet. The balloon descends at 25 feet per minute. Okay. So, go ahead, BK. What's the setup? 576 minus 25m. Very good. Okay. Again, it's an expression, folks, so there should be no equal signs in here. Okay. We started at 576. We subtracted 25m. Now, what if someone put like, what if someone put this? Is this also okay?
Yeah.
Yes, it means the same thing. Hello? Hi, I'm well. I'm on my way up. Yes, I was going to do that too. Yeah, okay. Okay, sounds good. Bye. Okay. And yeah, so either one of these, okay. All right, either one of those are okay. Questions on the setup there? Why do we have to put a minus? We're descending. This is the height, initial starting height of the balloon. It's up in the air, right? It's going to go down. But the number we're given here is a positive 25. That can be confusing, right? You might be like, well, should I put plus 25? But since it says descending at 25 feet per minute, we have to subtract the 25 because it's going down that much. Okay? All right, last one here, letter B, and then I'll get you guys to do some more here on the back. I'm bleeding through there with my pen. Oh, well. After how many minutes will the hot air balloon reach a height of 100 feet? How can we use our expression here to figure out this answer? What should we set it up to be? How can we set this up? Should the 100 go in for M? No, because 100 is what units? Feet. And M is a number of minutes. So 100 cannot go in for M. So we're just going to set them equal. 100 equals. Okay, and now we'll get the M by itself. So we'll subtract 576 from both sides. Okay, we get negative 476 equals negative 25M. Okay, and then last step, what do I need to do to both sides to get the M by itself? Divide. And I get 19.04. And what would the units be in this case? Number of minutes. Okay. Question number 3. All right, so well, I have to go to a meeting real quick. It shouldn't be that long, so I'd like you guys to go ahead and try. I was going to have you do 4 and 5, but those deal with sales tax and like percents off, so I'm not going to have you do that one. I'm going to have you do instead number 6, okay? Number 6, okay? So take a look at number 6 on the back, please. Talking about saving for a bike. This is Mr. Stieber. If you don't know who he is, okay, he is an excellent mathematical expert, all right? He knows his stuff, so please feel free to ask him for help if you need to, okay? But 6A, B, and C, okay? You might have had him before maybe in another previous math class or something too. So anyway, Ben, you ready real quick? We're going to go up this meeting. It should be fast, they said, so let's head on up, all right?
Are you 25 plus 30 and? No, you're not.
No, we already have 25.
Y equals 5.
There is 30 percent. So,
So I'm 5 plus 30.
that is
Oh.
expression.
So, look, if
I didn't
we
get
go
that.
you would couldn't count past six.
Oh, wait, 7 to 30.
Sometimes I'll just find this man and he just zones out.
Plus how much
Okay,
is
so
there?
we're gonna go 5. I don't know. No, draw the line.
I will highlight my hair. He was like,
That makes sense.
highlights your hair is
And then do
long.
minus 25. Oh, right.
So now we have our expression, right? So where are we gonna put
He
that?
doesn't try to dodge.
I'm connecting like, I'm on 40.
No, mine's going up.
What's the calculator?
So I got 868.
Okay, you got 868. So 30 equals 868. Divide by 30, right?
Yeah, and then he said something.
Perfect.
No,
Good stuff, right?
It's 828.9.
Good stuff, man.
I already checked it, but I didn't know if it was the very first
How
time.
did you check it? No.
Would you say what? Would you say what? Make sure you send me all the pictures. Don't delete the one. You hear me? Don't delete the one you think is good. Why would I mean, that's the one you think is good. Don't delete them if you think they're bad. If you go through them. Nah, just
28.9.
no, just send it.
Say what?
When you go home, the picture. No, but I'm saying I know how you go on. Just see the like the battle.
No, they're not that bad. There's some that.
Olivia, did she look good? Let me see. Can I just see what she's like? Like, just Olivia,
Action and a question.
Bro, they're all mod.
are you serious? Like, can you take it off of that?
Finish up.
She gave the answers. We're gonna
How we
see the
doing?
answers. What'd you get? Already. What? So this one, 25. She gave me this answer. So I don't know which one.
Why doesn't anyone
How
want to
much
take
does that
that
gas?
This one.
ASL
It's not
2
done.
next year?
We want to know in on. So how do you write that as an expression?
Because I got kicked out of my Spanish class.
Just focus on the gas.
Spanish
Two.
two. So like you have to take it down back for it.
25.
Right. It's four average ones. So it's times.
And then the last one
And the
is
next one, it's like
893 equals 28 and plus
What is
25.
it's better than Spanish.
And then
I
minus
know.
25 on both sides.
I know, yeah.
And then it's 60
Yeah,
minutes
it's
and
not
minus
fun. She
28.
literally
$60.
hasn't taught
Then
anything.
average
She
on both
just
sides.
talks
And
so
then
much.
it's
We
31.
don't know how many laws.
And those 31?
I know 5 laws. I would know. Okay,
I said it's in the field area.
Yeah. We don't know how many in it, so we really gotta write at
She's
least
just
two
freshman in her class too. We like
for every one.
Yeah.
Just two.
And then Mitchell.
Does that make sense? Everyone knows that. That's all.
I'm only looking at
Especially
it.
when you're reading something.
You know people were
It's
doing
just
that
such a
too.
Alright.
Well,
So what about
French.
this
I'm
one?
only swiping like 3.
So.
That's what I'm saying.
Total
But
versus
freshman.
this.
Oh, Spanish?
There's some.
We know we just use this stuff now,
Really?
right? Okay, so we know
She was
just.
born? Yes.
Is this gonna come into
So
play at all?
technically,
Cause this is how much we have.
I see one thing.
That's all, so we already
So
know.
if
Well,
she
how do
was
I-
born in, out of the United States.
So, we also know how
So
much we
like
have.
your grandma
How much we
or
paid
your
for it.
grandma.
So we did, that's how much we're
We
losing.
call her that, her mom.
So how much we paid for it.
So now look back down.
Oh, mine was serious.
She didn't just come out of the womb. This was not bad.
So I know one line,
It's ugly, but like,
one
obviously she
line.
was hot.
So we need that in, where we don't know how long it'll take.
You're actually like a dumb, but I'm just like
Mine is
curious.
two.
Her parents know that.
It's not. Are you serious?
Go check this out. Can I simplify
She
it?
Like, this is not that bad.
That's how you like it. also know that the
Like
music
this one is
class
like a goofy.
$2 per month, so pretty rural unique. So if you pay me $30, but it costs me $2 of gas. Okay, so I'm not making, I am
This
making
one.
that full $30, but it costs me gas.
Oh yeah, so those are the ones that I thought.
Okay, so then it also comes out to save plus 25.
This one too. Will be nice. I don't know. Just kidding.
Alright, so now we have another number that we're gonna throw at us, right? So we're saving.
Thank you, Russell. Of course. Thank you.
So, we have our expression, right?
Right, how much is this?
Yep. That's how much there. And now we have to solve for what? Got in. Perfect.
How much is this? This was not bad. How about it? Way harder. Wait, what is it? Oh, you should listen. The one where we're like directly in the camera.
Here, calculator.
No, the one where we're looking at the camera. Except for the one where we're looking at the
Here,
camera.
calculator.
And it's not the camera. We're just like. The one where we're like in the camera. That's good. my turkey sits across from the camera though. Right there. And it's like our tables are like this. So when I'm looking on the board, I'm like, boy, look at the board. You know I will.
Yeah, go.
I just don't have time.
Yo, does anyone have a charger?
Oh, awesome. Oh my god.
This class is like 1, 2, 3.
How do you know it's not you?
So I could just talk like 6 volumes and everything.
You're my boss. Oh man.
Yeah, I'll find somewhere for you know. To cry.
Let me just do it. That's what I got.
Oh, okay, so you minus 25.
That's what now.
Bro, what other teacher? No, but this is losing.
I don't really have guy teachers. Oh my, and my second teachers also have all that thing.
Why are you teaching that? Because it makes you.
Same with middle school, they're all generally
No way.
like Mr.
Did I heart that one?
Mr. Parker was
No, just
all
let me see.
Mr. Parker
Oh, is that the one you talked about?
Yeah.
Let me see.
sort of all no, he had hair.
Oh, then I actually like the room.
Yes, you did.
What's 8?
I actually like that picture though. We look stupid.
Chick-fil-A or Popeyes?
Chick-fil-A.
Wait, you say Chick-fil-A?
I don't even know what Popeyes is. Just go there.
Well, I really eat at Chick-fil-A. But we look stupid. You gotta keep going. And then you gotta
He says we copy each other.
You did. I did.
I like the
I
middle.
copied some of them.
You wanna take some of mine?
Yeah.
How about the stripe?
Bro, you copied the
Mine
first
sharp.
one and the last one.
Of course.
And
See,
then-
I looks different.
So, is your connection working?
Yeah, I got.
It did, it did.
Yeah.
You know? Why?
I have little sisters in my Spanish class, and she's like so innocent.
But you have English.
I'm like, is she gonna change throughout the school year? Is she gonna be like crying? Cause we're like freshmen out here. Oh, well, I don't know.
Oh my god.
I don't know how they meet so much new people, like random people.
It's never as serious.
Schools that are like 8 hours away.
How y'all even meet?
Oh.
Yeah, that's my brother. I can't say no shit.
But they just be pulling people
In
like
my
out
opinion, it's not
the
that
cut,
serious.
and I'm like, how? Yeah, we should literally come on. Where is she
You got
from?
stuff
I
from?
was
You
like,
have
Mom.
football? It's
I feel
football?
like Ronnie came out of nowhere, Caitlin came out of nowhere, even Zero. No one knew who they were until like last year. Jada like called me Kyle, like, she's like, oh, you can try to cook something diverse. Like just that whole thing.
Bummer, right? You were hoping to be done. All right, so did we get to finish number 6?
That joint was easy.
That joint was easy? Okay.
With a little bit of help.
A little bit of help. Un poquito help, right? Okay, so let's see here. George is saving for a bike. He currently has $25 saved and is mowing lawns. George earns $30 for each lawn mowed. Thank you, Mr. Steve.
Credit set today. I don't know. She told me that.
Oh, okay.
I'm up there for now. I don't know if I'll be coming back or whatever. So
Gotcha.
I'll let you know about it.
Okay, so yeah, well, we're not making any movement anyway, but I guess I'll just let Eric know if he does move in the future, and he'll be
He
fine.
should be good.
Yeah. Okay.
See you guys.
Thank you again, Mr. Steve. All right, so again, currently $25 saved, mowing lawns. George earns $30 for each lawn mowed. Each lawn also costs George $2 in gasoline. So, write expression for the cost for gasoline needed. So again, expression, no equal sign, expressions. Okay, for the gasoline needed to mow N lawns. Okay, so what are the things to factor in here? He currently has $25 saved, right? So we're going to have that $25. And then to that $25, what's going to happen? What else is happening here?
He's earned $30.
Earning, so with the 25 we should do what?
Plus 30.
Plus 30.
With parentheses.
Oh, we could do parentheses there. We can also just put an N next to it if you wanted to, like 30N, because he makes $30 per lawn. But then he also, what else happens?
He has to spend $2 on gasoline.
For each lawn as well. So to spend, what's happening to his total amount of money? Subtract 2N, like that. Okay? So that's one way to write it. That's one way to write
Oh,
it.
that's way easy.
That's one way to write it. $25. He adds $30 for every lawn, but he also subtracts $2 for every lawn because of the gas.
The guy just told me like that just minus 200 is good.
So, well, the minus 2N's is part of it, yes, but if we're trying to... Oh, shoot, cost for just gasoline. You're right. Sorry, for this section, you're right. For that section, it's just minus 2N because it's just the cost of gasoline to mow N lawns, okay? Or maybe just positive 2N, really. But anyway, write an expression for the total amount. That's what I did down here. Thank you for pointing that out, Jefferson. Yeah, you're right. See, even Mr. Whitmire makes mistakes. All right? So there's where letter B is where I should have put that, letter B. Okay? Now, what can we do with this expression? Simplify, right? We got like terms. What goes together here?
The 30N and minus 2N.
So yeah, we end up with really 25 plus 28N. Okay? And then we'll solve letter C here later. All right, so what I'm going to do for your homework for tonight... almost tripped there. All right. I've got 1, 2, and 3. So 2 and 3 are multiple choice, by the way. 2 and 3 are multiple choice. And then A, B, C, D, those are solved, and then solve number 1 as well. So this is your homework. These little notes. Cash or check. This is the same homework from last night. If you did last night's homework, don't do this paper tonight, okay? If you did not do last night's homework, this is what it was, okay? So Ooh, tripping again. Be paid. You're welcome. There you go. All right, folks, again, that will be your homework. That paper I just gave you, okay? Thank you for the calculators. Appreciate it. Ashton, I should be able to get you that calculator as soon as tomorrow, okay? Hopefully you should be here by tomorrow. Okay? Everyone else, make sure you're getting a hold of a calculator. You will want one, okay? You're going to need one, really. Okay? So get a hold of one.